Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So we're going to start on the 4-hour chart for now. Really quickly, if you haven't seen any of our last videos, basically what we are tracking is a larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move to the downside, where we have now entered this 5th wave support zone for the C wave, where we were expecting a larger degree ABC to the downside after this 4th wave, which it seems like A, B, C. It seems like we could be at the very end of this C wave to the downside, if not already completed. So with this ABC, we zoom in to the larger time frame. What we want to see for confirmation that this did indeed bottom would be a break above this swing high around 84,300, where we should see a 5-wave move to the upside as we are breaking this move as well. Once we get confirmation of that, well, then we start to have a more of a better idea that this 5th wave did indeed top here, and we aren't in the C wave as well, that we aren't going for extension. With markets being so oversold as well, once we do find support here, we could be looking at a larger degree rally, whether it is a more choppy rally or whether we could get a more impulsive all-time high rally. Now, it does seem like this could just be a 4th wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where this B wave, where it could have been an A, B, C corrective move, where this B wave did just extend to the downside, because B waves do typically extend as well. So that's totally possible as well. But we technically have entered the support zone. We have all 5 waves that we need, and this ABC is pretty much all finished for what we could have had in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move to the downside. But we could get one more low, but I wouldn't. Right now, we basically just have to let the market do its thing. Whether we hold a 1-2 setup for a 3rd wave and then we get a 4-5 and break above that swing high, or whether we do go down one more. At this point, it's pretty much up to buyers and sellers to figure out what they want to do, whether we enter a larger move to the downside before we bounce off from it, or whether we start that move to the upside from here. Now, like I say in pretty much every video, it's okay if we go a little bit below this support zone. What we do not want to see is a decisive break below. So coming here and then having a decisive break below. If we go back into support, maybe we go a little bit out of it and we bounce off from it, then that is totally okay as well. This support zone being between 70,704 to 76,974, which we have already came into the support zone, and we did test those April lows that we were talking about from last time. So those April lows were tested, and wasn't too surprised to see that happen as well. And now we're kind of in the late stages of this 5th wave. So not too much that happened today. This could just be this could just be part of the A wave, where it's just A, B, C to the upside, where maybe we get one more move up and maybe we head lower, or maybe that one more move up could create a smaller 5-wave move up, and then we could have a 3-wave move down, and we could start that more impulsive 3rd wave, 3-wave move down, and then again a 5-wave move up, where we get a true 5-wave move up and a break above that swing high. So we just kind of have to let the market do its thing. We just have to wait and see for what will happen and let time just run its course. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.